So I actually got this gift and I've been using it way more than I expected. This Uinkit Glossy photo paper is pretty thin, but the print quality is surprisingly good. Colors come out bright, the details stay sharp, and the lean ink dries almost instantly. No smugness, no smudging. Even when I printed a bunch of shirts back to back. I've been using it for little DIY projects, cheap bag, design flyers and some photos, and it looks clean every time. The sheets are completely flat, no watermark on the back, so you can write on it or use it on layered projects without anything showing off. And what I really like is that it works even with my older inkjet printer. I just load it, print, and it comes out looking way more professional than regular paper. If you need something affordable for bright, quick, simple print at home, this stuff actually does the job.